Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy method to delete Amazon affiliate accounts. So if you don't want to promote your Amazon products anymore and you want to delete your affiliate account, or you want to delete it and create a new one, you can do that. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is to log in into your you need to go to your Amazon associate. Okay, you want to search for Amazon associate and then you want to click on amazon.com associate. Now it will take you guys directly to your Amazon associates. As you can see, you will find here your ID, your information. What you need to do, guys, you want to click here on the email here in the top right and then click on account settings. All right, now after, guys, you click on account settings, you will find a lot different options here, like associate stripe option, change your email preferences. Now if you look here at the bottom, you can see something called close your account. You want to click on it. Now here your feedback matters. Is there anything else you would like us to know? So here tell them exactly why you are trying to delete your account. Click on select. For example, I am not earning enough. I want to get paid the balance on my I want to get paid the balance amount on my account. I'm getting too many emails. Or you can select order and you want to enter here the reason, and after that you want to click on close your account now. And that's exactly, guys, how you can close your Amazon associates. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, just go to the comments below and tell me exactly your questions. I reply to everyone. Drop a like and see you guys next video.